Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, kids, today I am taking work in our book Candy Alphabet Capital Letters. Okay, so you have to take out page number 54. Okay, so this is our classwork. So, very first, what you have to do, you have to write down here today's date. Okay, like this. So kids, what you have to do, color the circle with the starting letter of each picture. One has been done for you. So what you have to do, kids, we have here one picture. Okay, so you have to identify this picture and you have to color the exact letter which is picture starting from the letter. Okay, so like, what is this? This is M for mango. What is this? This is M for mango. So what you have to do, you have to color the letter M. Okay, so one is already done for you. So like this you have to do all these pictures. Okay, now I am taking crayon here. So kids, what is this? Can you guess this picture? What is this? Yes, this is nib. N for nib. Okay, so you have to find out where is letter N. Here we have three letters. So where is letter N? This is letter N? No. This is letter N? No. Yes, this is letter N. N for nib. Okay, so you have to color this letter N. Okay, like this. Now see our next picture. What is this? This is O for ox. O for ox. So this is letter O. No. This is letter O. Yes, this is letter O. O for ox. O for ox. So you have to color the letter O. Okay, like this. Okay, now come to our next picture. What is this, kids? This is very easy. All of you know this. What is this? Yes, this is peacock. Okay, and peacock is starting from letter P. Okay, peacock is starting from letter P. So now you have to find out where is letter P. This is letter P. No. This is letter P. No. This is letter P. Yes, this is letter P. P for peacock. So you have to color the letter P. Okay. So like this you have to complete your this classwork page. Okay. Now come to next page. This is our homework page. Okay, so what you have to do, put a cross on the picture that relates to the letter. So now look here what you have to do in this page. This side we have letters, okay, and this side we have pictures. So what you have to do, kids, you have to see this letter and which picture is related to this letter. So you have to put cross on the picture. Okay, so look here how to do this. Which letter is this? This is letter M. Okay, which is letter M. So what is this? This is mouse. Okay, this is mouse. This is kite and this is shoes. Okay, so which picture is starting from letter M? Yes, M for mouse. Okay, because kite is starting from letter K and shoes is starting from letter S. Okay, so our answer is M for mouse. So you have to cross on this picture. Okay, now come to our next letter. What is this? Which letter is this? Letter N. Okay, so now come to pictures. What is this? Egg. What is this? E for egg. What is this? P for pillow. And what is this? N for net. Okay. So our letter is N. So which picture is related to letter N? N for net. N for net. So you have to cross on this picture. Okay. Now our next letter O. Letter O. Now see, what is this? O for onion, and this is dog. D for dog. And what is this? Ball. B for ball. So our letter is letter O. Okay. So which picture is related to letter O? Yes, onion. O for onion. So you have to put cross on this picture. Okay. Now come to our last picture. Which letter is this? Letter P. Okay. So what is this? This is O for ostrich. Okay. O for ostrich. Now what is this? Q for queen. Q for queen. And what is this? This is pig. Okay. P for pig. And what is our letter? P. So which picture is related to letter P? Yes, P for pig. Pig is starting from letter P. So you have to put cross on this picture. Okay kids? So kids, like this you have to complete your CW and HW page and send me the pics. Bye bye.